Selecting the right fund house. If you had to select a school for your daughter, you would make some serious investigation before seeking admission in it, right? Ultimately, it's the matter of your daughter's future. No chances can be taken.
Similarly, investing in mutual funds requires its thorough research. And this really starts from understanding and selecting the right fund house. A fund house manages the money in a mutual fund. Depending upon the investment objectives of each scheme, it decides the investment strategies to be followed with the money collected from investors in the scheme.
Think about all the factors you would consider when looking for the perfect school for your daughter. You would do your research pretty well. You want a reputable school, one that everyone knows and talks well about. Then you look for reviews of the school which give you a clear idea of the school's all-round achievement. Next, you look for more personal reviews. What do parents have to say about the school's proficiency? And finally, you may want to visit the school and judge it for yourself, taking into account the infrastructure. Then, other factors to consider will be school fees, total cost, admission procedures, evaluation methods, etc. etc. Basically, before picking a school for your daughter, you want to make sure that the school is in line with the objectives you've set out to achieve for your daughter's education, because her future is important to you.
Well, just like the background search a parent would do for their daughter's school, the same amount of care needs to be taken when selecting an appropriate fund house. And there's a list of things to consider that will help making the decision much simpler and a lot more beneficial. Who are the sponsors of the AMC? How much experience do they have in investment management and related businesses both globally and in India? Does it have a strong track record of managing investments across markets' ups and downs? Does it have a stable and reputed fund management team? What is the size of the total assets that they are currently managing? Do they have a good balance between their equity and fixed income portfolios? Or are they overtly skewed towards one? What is their fund performance track record? Are their website and other product collaterals informative and easily accessible? What does the key business and financial media have to say about the fund house, their team, and the funds they manage? And what is the customer service and complaint redressal track record of the AMC? And so on and so forth.
Whew. That's a lot of information to look for, and you're not even sure where to find it. Well, worry not. Here are a few sources of the information you need.
One can look up websites and portals of the AMCs and financial publications. Then there's also the Association of Mutual Funds in India, AMFI. Apart from that, there are monthly fact sheets printed by most fund houses and the scheme-related documents published by the AMC. Finally, one can always go to the investment advisor.
You see, there's really no need to panic. Yes, it's an important decision and one that has to be taken wisely, but you know that once you pick the right school for your girl, she'll be in good hands. Well, it's the same with your investment and fund houses. Just do your homework before you invest. We hope you enjoyed watching the video. Watch more and we'll help you learn about different investing concepts. You can also write to us with your feedback at editor@templeton.com.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.